Okay, hello guys, happy new year everyone. I know I haven't posted a video in quite a while, but I should be coming up with a few more videos anytime soon. But today I just want to show you this one app that I want to share with everyone who is traveling and needs Wi-Fi. But you know, most of the times when you go places, you don't get a free Wi-Fi. It's like you have to go to a cafe, or sometimes the Wi-Fi at the cafe itself is secure with a password. So I have this app here called Wi-Fi Map. You can download it from the Play Store, or you can download the APK directly from the internet. Now I discovered that app from a friend of mine who shared it with me, and I decided to share it with you guys on YouTube because you know you guys have brought me a long way, and I'd like to thank you guys so much for that. So you can see here I'm currently in St. Lucia right now. So you can see sorry about the noise in the background. I'm not sure if you guys can hear. You see here I'm in St. Lucia. So this is my current location. So okay, well, around me there is a school and 3 other homes, but let's focus on, let's say we go to Pivot. Now that's where the international airport is located. So if you were to, okay, you come from the States or you come from England, then you don't have a free Wi-Fi, so you can tap here. There are 5 areas there where you can get Wi-Fi. So you tap on this, and then to show you unlock password. Now most of the time they are open, but I want to find one with a password so that you guys can see how cool this app is. Let me see this one. Okay, well, most of them around the airport are free. So let's go more into town. Let's see. Okay, save your thoughts. Okay, here's one here. The name of the Wi-Fi is Claudius, and you can see we have the password here. So if I tap on it, you can see it copied. So this is the password of the Wi-Fi. So this app is very useful if you know you're traveling frequently and you need a Wi-Fi, but you know most Wi-Fis you get are password protected. Then you can download that app to help you find a Wi-Fi with the password being shared. So anyway, that's it. If you have any comments, drop down your comments. I'd like to read them and surely answer your comments. Okay, thank you for watching, and see you in another one.